here we are basically going to shift to this dart, and we will be having gathers over here. So for this stage, the first stage that I have is in front of you, where I have two control darts on the waist, and which I will shift to the side seam position. So having done so, we have closed the control darts and shifted them to the waist position as a single dart shifting. Then we will close this dart and move it to the position over here. So you can see over here that we have fully closed in the downward direction this dart and opened up the dart over here. Meanwhile, we have this dart over here which we had shifted. So this now has to be shifted into the gathers position over this area. So this dart now moves on to this position with the seam allowance as per the requirement, which would be, and here I would also like you to pay attention to the grain line of the block. So once we stitch it, it will move back to the original position. So this has to be maintained as the grain line position, because once we stitch this dart, it will move back to its original grain line. So this is the dart that we have after shifting this, and this dart I will divide into 3 sections, which we will shift to 3 positions over here, which I will just mark and show to you. So it depends upon the number of gathers that we want. If I want more gathers, then I will try and keep at least the distance to be 1.5 centimeter between the two of them, and it is, remember, a 1/4 scale location. So first of all, I will close this section, shift it to this place, close this section, shift it to this position, close this section and shift it to this. Section of this dart, you can see we have placed the dart leg on the dart leg over here, and when we close this, then we open the dart over here. Similarly, we will now next close this section, that is, if we name it as P dash, so we will close PP dash and shift it to this line, and then we will close this dart, we will place this R on the P and shift it to this location, to this line. So now we have shifted one section over here. So this is the second portion. So on this we will close this dart. Ensure that the direction of the dart is downwards. Here you can see I've kept it downwards, and now we have this section. So keeping sure that the seam allowances are there, one of the sections has been shifted here and the second section is shifted here, so we get an opening over here. Similarly, we will close this last section and we will get an opening over here. This location onto these 3 darts. This is the final opening, and here is what we have shifted the darts to the new location. So finally we will trace this section as an L section of where the gathers, the L and the inverted L, where the gathers are supposed to be marked, and this symbol is denotes the placement of gathers, which shows that gathers are to be done. I will just show this symbol to you again. It's like an M with a long tail on one edge. So this is how you mark. So finally you will be stitching this. After putting these gathers, you will be stitching this dart and you will get a stylized placement. Thank you.